What's up, everybody? Stixx Picks here, back with another video. We are at the flea market. It's like 6 o'clock right now. We're doing our first little walk through around the flea market. See what I can find. We're selling today. We're selling some Christmas lights, you know, test the waters a little bit. Let's get right into the video. Here you go. Thank you. I paid $3 for this, you know. I heard $3. I didn't really need to look at it before. I feel like this is a sealed game. I don't know. It says base set. Base set normally means like the first maybe edition type thing. So it's gonna be worth more than $3. Let's scan it right now. All right. So as you can see, you know, we see a bunch of. I see some 25, some 27, 28, some 14, 29, 30. Pay $3, we'll take it. We'll take it. All right, y'all, I had to get a quick little hot chocolate. It's cold out here, not gonna lie. It's a bit chilly. I ain't gonna drink this yet, I just got it, but. Let's go on this side of the flea market, see what we can find on this half. I think we're just like doing a little walkthrough as everyone's setting up. Everyone's just getting here. And still a lot of people are like just getting here, like pulling up, not even setting up yet. So there's still a lot of time to watch people like get their stuff up. How much? Excuse me? How much? Oh, it's
20.
It's the first little walk. We're probably gonna set up now. I see my dad talking over there. Talk to some people. He probably hasn't walked around yet. We got a little bit. Just have a little back of our trailer, a little pickup. What do we have today? Just mostly Christmas lights?
We have a whole bunch of
Antiques. We got more than just Christmas lights today. Yeah.
Thank you, my man.
Thank you.
Yeah, they got the Legos, yeah. Just the Marvel Legos. I'm gonna have more stuff next week as well. I'm gonna have a wheel too. So $10.
Oh wow, you're getting into it,
yeah,
huh?
Yeah. So
and I'm sure you'll have another
right?
table.
Maybe, we'll see. I'm gonna need one.
All right, looks like Pokemon packs are going up. Those guys are selling their packs for $7. All right. I'm away from my homies. The $4 packs. Come on now. But we got this for $2. Like, this has to sell for more than $2, right? Like, let's be honest. All right, this is one sale for $17 or $18. All right, we'll take it. We'll take it.
I was gonna bring some, so figured that would be a good idea.
In a second. How much is this one?
$30.
Hmm?
30.
How much are the other ones?
30, 31.
So, okay.
Yeah, these are open, $20, but these are probably better.
Let me see. You think I could buy a single pack for one of these, you think, or no?
Oh, yeah, they're open though. Yeah, you don't even have one.
Oh, yeah, the packs are open. Oh, I didn't notice. All right, yeah. I like to open the packs.
Yeah, no. But you can't beat it. There's 10 packs in here.
Yeah, I opened one of these last week. I'm going to try this one maybe.
Yeah.
I got pretty unlucky from that box. I'll try this one maybe. All right. All right, thank you.
Good luck, man.
Thank you, I appreciate it. All right, I'll take it. 30 bucks is honestly a pretty good price for these, if I'm not mistaken. I think I could really, if I truly wanted to, I think I can just resell that on eBay. No Dragon Ball ones today?
No Dragon Ball. I do have anime, but I don't have any Dragon Ball.
All right, all good.
Still haven't found
All good.
But if I do, I'll be picking them up.
All right, thank you. What's up? You guys still setting up?
Yes and no. Not yet. We are. We're done with Pokemon though. I mean, that's what you're here for. Right?
Yeah. I paid 30 bucks for this box. Is that good? I paid 30 bucks.
That's pretty much freaking like damn near wholesale.
That's what I thought. That's why most of the time I hear like 40 bucks. I heard 30. Like, might as well buy it, right? Isn't this the newest set too? Lost Origin?
Yeah,
Are you saying?
Pull the alternate art Garantina. We have some singles here if you'd like to take a look. You can pull. I think we recently just got these in, but they.
He wants to rather pull them.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull. I'm gonna pull that card.
I mean, your luck is insane, bro.
I'm gonna pull it. Hopefully. Did you guys have the single packs out already?
Huh?
Where are the single packs at? Here.
Oh, that's what we haven't taken out. Huh?
That's what I'm looking for.
That's why I called them out on it. Like, he didn't pull them out yet.
I got unlucky. I bought a whole box. I didn't get a single pull. So I'm thinking the single packs are where it's at for me.
Oh, for the ETBs?
Yeah.
Yeah, usually like the pull ratio on ETBs, it's like guaranteed at least like a VMAX or something like that.
Yeah,
right?
I got like,
I think it's like a
one
VMAX
V.
or something.
It's not guaranteed anything. It's like you're at least supposed to get like maybe two hits. So you were saying?
Yeah, like regular hits. Like
Out of the Shining Fates, I got like a hollow every time. It was weird. Every card was a hollow.
That's it's supposed to be a hollow per every pack.
Oh, okay.
It's like
that makes
like
sense.
that.
Yeah. I'm feeling this pack. This third pack was the pack.
You got that one?
Yeah.
All right.
when I seen go have their prices go up is was it Fusion? No, not Fusion Strike. Oh no, yeah,
Brilliant.
Fusion Strike. Yeah, because of the.
We were taking your suggestion, and shit was like, with the case that we had left of Lost Origins.
Yeah.
We decided to crack it, do videos for them.
I saw that, the daily packs, that's good. It's good, you know, just every day. At least just one pack, you know, TikTok likes it. They're all short. Just one pack. Are they doing well? Like, you getting some followers?
Somewhat so far. I mean,
Yeah.
I pulled something.
That's good.
We'll see.
I mean, the followers have been going up. Though.
Estos son,
that's good.
Como paquetes misterios. Contienen cosas.
All right, it looks like we didn't get as lucky this time. Look, we got the white. It's fine.
Look right now, but Trainer Gallery.
Yeah, that thing looks cool. Though. This card looks cool. All right, not bad.
Not too bad. I mean,
Hey, the luck's around at some point, right?
hey, there's always next time though.
You guys see that? I don't always get good pulls. You gotta post that. I don't always get good pulls, guys. You guys don't need to call me out in the comments.
It ain't planned.
Yeah.
You still got that, what, the Brilliant Stars, and you still got the ETB. So there's gotta be something in there.
Exactly. All right. We'll keep going.
Take care, bro.
Take care. We'll keep walking around.
See you, man.
See ya. All right. I got all the Pokemon today. It looks like that's all the Pokemon I'm getting. I kind of forgot they'll be here, and I bought this pack already, so looks like I have a bunch of Pokemon now. Let's just open this pack right now. Oh, another bad. Cool. Ooh, a Mewtwo. That might be good, actually. Maybe I think that's a very cool Mewtwo art.
$10, man.
All right.
Give it a bath and everything.
Would you do both for 15?
Huh?
Would you do both
Sure,
for
yeah,
15?
no problem.
You change for a 50?
Yeah, I got you.
All right, thank you.
So that'll be 35 change. There you go, my man.
All right, thank you.
Christian,
Have a
would
good
you like
day.
a bag?
I'm good.
All right, thank you.
I burn myself with my hair straight.
All right, my dad told me to go walk over to a truck over there. No, I didn't even make it over there. I found this little thing, these little 2 boxes. They sell for 20 bucks, 25 online. I paid 15 for the both of them, so. How much are you selling these for?
$10.
Would you do 15 for the both of them?
Sure.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. All right, got 2 more of these. Means we got 4 in total. 4 of these in total for 30 bucks. They sell for an average of 15 to 25 online. Oh, we're back to walk around again. We've got a couple picks for the day already. We got like 4 little toys. Paid 30 for 4 of them. Sell for like 20 bucks a piece. We'll take it. Bought a puzzle set. Profited on that. Everything's going good so far. Looks like it's a good day so far. How much for these 2 pairs?
How much? 400.
For that one? All right. How about these?
400.
All right, thank you. That's a bit pricey for some shoes, if I'm being honest. Definitely, probably like as much as they're worth. That's if they're real, you know. It's hard to like fully authenticate them if they're from the flea market, you know. Might as well just go to the store and pay full price, you know, because you'll know that they're actually authentic. All right, time to pack up. It's like 9:30. Quick little day. We're going home. Actually, not home. We're going to the warehouse, not home. All right, guys. We're on the way to the warehouse. We are done. Quick little day. We left at what, like 10 o'clock? We did pretty good, I think. I think he did pretty solid. Would you like the sandwich you made today, Dad?
I think I made about, before expenses, about deducting your time. What's this?
What?
What kind of sale they got here? Maybe we can pick it. Before expenses, 25 to enter, giving you some money, etc., etc.
It's fine.
750? 754?
750. I didn't really work hard today, so.
There's my old job. Want to go pick up a side gig right now?
What's your old job? Moving?
We should go ask this guy if we can unload his trailer and then reload it so you get to practice him. That's where you learn. It's like
I remember, Dad. You used to have a massive truck like that when I was like 4 or 3. Remember, you had something like a big truck.
No, I used to work in them.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. You didn't physically own it. I remember you'd always come home though, and I don't know why. I just had like a faint memory. I was like 4 in the back of those trucks all the time, or like 3.
Yeah.
A faint memory of that. I remember just having so much fun, just not having a seatbelt on the back, just when we're driving.
That's where. In the back.
Maybe that's illegal to say all that, but I remember
in the back of diesels, for some reason you can sit on the bed if not.
I thought it was the coolest kid ever, just in the back seat with no seatbelt. Let me go get our breakfast burritos.
We're gonna go learn to load. He's gonna do a job. He's gonna unload that 53-foot trailer and
53.
Get his
That's
on.
Twice the size of his big trailer. All right, we're at the warehouse now. We're here. Ate our breakfast burritos. These things were yummy. Let's give you guys a little recap. First, we got this Lost Origin trainer box. Elite trainer box? Yeah, Elite trainer box. Very cool find. Paid $30 for it. Most of the time people there say like $40. I heard 30. That's pretty solid. There's 8 packs in there. 8 divided by 30 is what? Like less than $4. There's like $3.75 per pack. So that's all right, because some people be saying $5 a pack. Screw that. Next, we got 4 of these things. I saw a couple people have these, so I try to get a little deal on them. I paid $30 for all 4 of these. $30 for all 4. So that would be like, what, a $7 average? $7.50. It's exactly $7.50 per I paid. Oh, let's see the angle. And they sell for at least $15 per, like probably $15 to $25 each on eBay. We'll take that. This Star Wars Lego set, I paid $2 for this thing. This guy said $2. I was like, you know, all right, I'll take it. Or was it $3? It was $2 or $3. And this thing also sells for about $20 to $25 online. Seems like my good average is $20. Same thing. Same thing with this. I want to say I actually paid $5 for this, but it sells for about like maybe like $30 to $25 online. So it's not, everything is a pretty good sale. We'll take all of it. Take all of these. Pretty good picks for the day. All right, guys, we're home now. It's pretty late. I didn't really update you guys through the day, but we're gonna open this box now. Finally, I've been waiting all day to open it. Let's see. Paid $30 though. We're just gonna open it quick. I'm not gonna draw it out. Just show you guys what we got. Here's some cool art. We got 8 packs though. Paid $30. So that's like I said earlier, like $3.50. So let's just get to open them. You can open a pack. I'll open a pack. Let's just open them. No drawing them out. Let's do the trick maybe. Should I do the trick? Yeah.
Oh,
Stay.
first Pikachu.
2, 3, 4. All right. Oh.
4.
Oh, you can already see some in the back. Oh.
I'm guessing water. Oh. Whatever.
A V. I got a V. We'll take it. We'll take it. Not bad. We got our dog.
Pikachu.
We got a little baby dog in the background. Baby George
Wait.
sleeps in the cage.
Don't know. Don't know.
Ooh. Full art. Double full arts. Look at that. 2 full arts so far. We'll take it. We'll take it. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going.
What is the chance of us getting a rainbow or like?
I don't know. There's like the chance of getting like, it's like all the same odds. You can get like 3 or 4 pools, I think, and each pool can either be like a rainbow or a lower quality one like these.
Guessing fire. Oh,
Oh,
why did I get the wrong one?
2, 3, 4. Bam.
Panic mask.
Dark mode.
Dalter.
Nothing crazy. I got a bad pack. What is she gonna get?
I can already see something.
I can see something back there. 3 V's. V's are good, of course. They're like a full art, but I think that's like the worst full art you can get. I mean, that's obviously a full art. I'm just saying, like, that's all we got. But we are looking for a VMAX or like a rainbow. That is kind of ideal, you know? If not, it's whatever. This is like a free box technically, because I already sold stuff that day.
The rainbow and the tail.
Do all that. It makes something.
I'm guessing dark. Every single time it's the wrong one.
Radiant Gardevoir. This is a reverse holo, but I think this is a good card. Look, oh.
Lady. Seal.
Look at that. That looks like a good
Trumpet.
card.
Oh, Pikachu again. And
Bam, all right.
this.
Nothing crazy. We got a reverse holo. Let's probably kill out pull a reverse holos there. Where's this one at? Oops. There you go. Yeah, this is a good card, I think. That's like a different reverse holo.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm guessing fire. Did you get it right? Did you get it right? Dang it!
All right, wait. We have one more though. We have one more guess. I'll let you guess too.
Lost City. Gift Energy.
I'll let you guess too.
Rosalina, I think. Rockruff, my favorite. Seal.
It's to the end of this video I made today.
Match Hop.
Ooh, dang, wait. That's a cool looking V. Oh, wait, what the heck?
I
2
got-
V's in 1 pack. Holy smokes. That V, ooh.
I have good luck.
2 V's in 1 pack is like an air pack type thing. That's crazy. It's pretty crazy, guys.
The best.
Let me turn this around real quick. Actually, wait, I think I have to finish opening my pack. Let's just spread it around. Psh, psh. Did I get anything?
Nope. I got most of the
Okay,
good ones.
well, looks like she got better luck than me. That's fine. Wait, let me look at it. There we go. This is what we got. We got a bunch of V's. I don't know what you can pull from this, but I don't think we got the best luck. We got a bunch of V's though. We'll take that. We'll look them up. I wasn't really looking for profit because the picks I got for today really paid for this. I just got it for fun. Thought it was cheap. And that wraps up the video. You guys, hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching. I appreciate it, especially if you watched to the end, of course.